Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to edit Bloody Red Lightroom preset. Here are example photos before and after using this preset. Now, let's start editing. First, go to Lights. Exposure down -56. Contrast 30. Highlights -44. Shadows 70. White 63. Black 76. Then go to colors. Temperature 4. Tint 5. Vibrance 3. Saturation 5. Go to color mix. Red hue -6. Saturation -29. Luminance -10. Orange hue -17. Saturation -34. Luminance 17. Yellow hue 18. Saturation -94. Luminance -2. Green hue -16. Saturation -68. Luminance 1. Aqua luminance -15. Blue hue -31. Saturation -60. Luminance -31. Purple hue -57. Saturation -73. Luminance -5. Magenta hue 16. Saturation -74. Luminance -31. Click Done. Now follow the steps. Copy and paste the curve tones. Check curve tones. Click Done. Now copy and paste settings on other photos. Do like and subscribe for more amazing presets. Thanks for watching.
Royal Editz LR.